I'm going to show you how to make a half knot. Here I've got 2 macrame cords, so I've made 2 lark's head knots, and from those I've got 4 cords dangling down here. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to call these cords number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So taking cord 1, make a number 4 shape. Take cord 4 and bring that to the front, taking it over cord 1. Take cord 4 behind all of the cords and through this space here that you've made, and pull your cord tight. That is a half knot. And I'm going to continue and make lots of half knots so that you get a twizzly piece of cord like this. I'm going to give you a little tip here. So you sort of feel like you're fighting against the cord a little bit as it twizzles round. If you hold on to this piece of cord, you know that this is the one that needs to be in your left hand. But what you can do is you can just twizzle it around like that. And then that makes it much easier to work again with the cord. And that's how you make a half knot. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel. We'll be bringing out more videos, and thank you for joining us today. Thank you.